What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP's Audio 08, and today we're coming to you with a very special unboxing. Today we're revealing our Tezla Audio 1.5K series 6.5 inch sub. I am extremely excited about talking to you guys about this today. We're actually doing a rebuild. You guys have been asking me about the sub, so we decided to go ahead and get a couple of them over here so we can show you what it's about. So first, let's get into a size comparison with the 6.5 inch sub and our 1.5K 8-inch sub. Now, as you can see, our 8 is a beast and our 6.5 is a baby beast. If you guys follow me on any type of social media like my Instagram, then you know that Tezla Audio actually linked up with Mobile Toys Inc. and they have some prototype truck boxes for the newer model Chevy Silverados, GMC Sierras, and the Ford trucks. We do have Dodges coming, but you guys have been asking me which sub comes inside those enclosures, and it is the 6.5s. You will get 4 6.5 inch subs, either dual 4 or dual 2, whichever one you want, and that's what comes preloaded. So now that you know what comes with it, let's go ahead and jump right into some features. So first thing I noticed right out the gate is the cosmetics of our new version 2 1.5K series. If you look at the old ones, it just has the regular print on the front, nothing on the rubber right there. Our bottom, we just ain't got no sauce. But on this new one, we got the new Tezla logo. We have the Tezla stamp right here on the top so you can see it as well. Where if you go down here to this magnet, we sauced up with the new Tezla logo on the bottom of the boot. So if you guys wanted to invert these subs, if you're doing a pretty big build on any of our 1.5K series, you'll see that nice Tezla logo. Look on the back of the magnet, you will see the Tezla logo stamped at the top with the 1.5K series at the bottom. Now we did have that on the old 1.5K series, but it just had the word Tezla. It didn't actually have the new logo on it. So other than that, everything else is pretty much designed the same. We still have the carbon fiber cone with the carbon fiber dust cap, Tezla logo on the front. We have that double stitching, and we also have the high foam surround. Now, as far as our ventilation system is also designed the same. With this 6.5 inch sub has a 2-inch voice coil with dual 4 and dual 2 options, 90-ounce magnet. And if you look at our tensile leads, they're still heavy gauge tensile leads. They're actually almost the same size as the ones that comes on the 8. They're just slightly smaller. Now with this sub, it has 450 watts RMS, 900 watts max. So if you're thinking about the truck boxes that's coming with 4 of these, this thing is going to jam with the right amount of power. And they also come with the same Nomex Spider as the rest of the 1.5K series. So these two 6.5 inch subs are going to be going into my wife's Nissan Rogue. If you guys been keeping up with the channel, you know she has the Cadence 12, but we're going to go ahead and take that out, put some Tezla inside the car and see how much gains we can actually get with that, which is kind of a good segue. So now we get to talk about the amplifier that they sent so you can see what's actually going to power these two musical monsters. So I'm kind of excited to be one of the first ones to talk about these series amps because they are extremely new, and we'll get into some deeper testing a little bit later, but check out the size. So this thing fits right in the palm of my hand. So you already know this amp is made mainly for like your power motorsports, your motorcycles, your marine, and all that type of stuff, because you need to get a lot of power out of a small chassis. And with that being said, it is IPX67 waterproof, so it can withstand the outdoor element as well. Connector type right here for your RCAs is sealed tight. Now we're going to flip it over, and you see it already comes with your ground, your remote, your power, and you also have your positive and negative speaker wires already in. But I want you to take a look at how it's actually sealed up to kind of keep all that water out so it can be outside in the element. And you also don't need to worry about the wire corroding because this is 100% OFC copper. I mean, they really did think about everything in order to keep this thing waterproof as possible. Now when we flip it over, you also have like this little flap, so I'm gonna flip it open real quick. So now we got this open, you see that we're gonna have your LPF, your bass boost, your subsonic, and your gain. You also have the protection light. Once you get done setting your settings, just kind of flip that thing back over, it locks in, and then we're right back sealed, baby. It is a Class D amplifier, so that means you will not sacrifice on efficiency or performance. But I really do enjoy the size of these series amps, because not only if you have like a RZR or a motorcycle or a slingshot or anything like that, let's just say you have a car and you don't want the amp to be shown but you still want big power, this amp will not fail you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I didn't want to get too deep into details because we will be doing testing a little bit later. As far as the rest of this video, Tezla Audio sent me a care package, so I'm going to open that up and then we're going to talk about upgrades and future shows.
What's in this box? But you know what I'm saying? Tezla said they want to hook me up with some stuff, some swag. So, you know, just gonna go ahead and do it. Oh, check it out. Oh, your boy. Oh, boy, you cut up, boy. Oh. So we got 1 hat. Ooh, 2 hat. Ooh, 3 hat. 4 hat, 5 hat, bitch. Hook your boy up, boy. Tezla, boy, y'all cutting up, boy. I ain't gonna flex. I love this him. Ooh, hats on. God, dog. Not only is the hats on deck, but the shirts on deck. You feel me? Okay, so we got the blue. These were the shirts these were the apparel that they actually had out there at Myrtle Beach Truck Week a couple weekends ago. So you know what I'm saying, they sold a lot of stuff and boy, they just hooked your boy up. Bro, Tezla, they'll show you boy some love every time, every chance they get. That's why I really rock with them for real. But man, look at this. Ooh, they got me ready for the winter. You know it's about to get cold, but we still going to show. So shoot, I might rock this one at Ruckus, but you know what I'm saying, we got the logo right here. Tezla Audio on the back. Okay, I drop that boy like that there. Boom. Shirt number 1. Then you got this super safety neon green version. Boom. On the front. Okay, ain't nothing right there. But that's 2. You know your boy been working out now, so you know what I'm saying, I need that extra large. But bam, I got the same blue shirt, but I got it in gray. Okay, see now I might ride you in right there, man. I got that military green, that olive. Now this one rocking. This one rocking, and it's a long sleeve. Ooh, support the troops, baby. Support the troops. Oh, you trip with the hoodie. Okay, now I'm rocking. Okay, I'm wearing this one off the top. I might put this one on. I'm gonna put this one on right now.
All right, yeah, man, so I want to come to y'all bright and early just to kind of go over a few things real quick. As you can see, I voted, so I woke up at 7 a.m. I was still number like 500, but stuff went quick. If you guys haven't voted yet, today's the last day, so you kind of need to go ahead and do that. Either way, man, I want to let you guys know why you didn't actually get a video last Wednesday and Sunday. Some of y'all like, man, you told me you was going to give me 2 a week, and it's been a whole week, and I ain't even got 2. I understand that. So last Wednesday, man, I was gonna make a video, but I got the package late. I was gonna give you this video last Wednesday, but due to my fault, I ordered late, and it didn't get here till like Thursday. It was either Thursday or Friday, but either way, it didn't get here till late. So I was like, man, I kind of missed that. I could still do it Friday, but my son has trunk or treat at daycare, and then after that, we had family and friends over. I don't really celebrate Halloween like at all. I don't really care for it, but I do care for candy. I love candy, especially gummies. So I was like, man, my wife came up with this idea, like, let's have family and friends over, bring their kids, and we'll just make Halloween treats and stuff here. So yeah, we had a bunch of kids over, but it was a lot of fun. So we did that Friday, and I was like, man, I could just go ahead and edit my video that I was gonna make for Sunday. But Saturday when I got off work, I had to drive to Florida because my sister had her baby dedication, and I was not gonna miss that for the world, for my nephew. Nah. So like, you guys know that I used to stay in Florida, but I moved back home to where I'm originally from, Birmingham, Alabama. But my sister and my mom and all that, I got some family still stay in Florida, so I don't see them often. So I didn't want to just throw something together for you because y'all know that's not me. If I will not sacrifice the quality of a video, especially a bass, montage, collage, whatever you want to call it. I won't sacrifice good quality edits just so I can throw something up. If you guys want a whole bunch of quantity, this ain't the channel. My quantity will come in time, but I won't sacrifice the quality. I just won't. So, and I know a lot of y'all appreciate that. I know I would appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? Not to just throw something at y'all just to say, just for the sake of posting. So I will miss a day, or I will miss a scheduled video just to give y'all a high quality video the next time. And I hope you guys appreciate that, because I won't sacrifice on the quality. But either way, man, that's why you didn't get a video last week, and that kind of segues into this week. So today I'm recording for tomorrow, so you guys will get this video on Wednesday. But Sunday I will be at Ruckus, so I've already booked the hotel. I already got my gear ordered. I will be at Ruckus, so I'm thinking about just doing a live stream for real. And I'm talking about for a good minute. Like when I say a good minute, like I'm thinking about going live for like an hour. You know what I'm saying? Because I figure it could be cool. Because a lot of y'all might not get to go to Ruckus. A lot of y'all probably never heard of Ruckus. Ruckus is a pretty dope show. My first time going was last year. I'll probably go every year. It's an 8-hour drive for me from Birmingham, but it's really worth it, man. Some lot of big debut builds that will be out there this year. I've been talking to a lot of guys on these forums, and I can't wait to go catch some of that footage. So what I want to do is kind of go live. I'll be there as soon as it opens, and then kind of let you guys see what I see. Like when I'm, you know what I'm saying, I let y'all see my vision. Like when I look at a build and I'm like, oh man, this will be a dope shot. And then I ain't gonna give it away too much for y'all who gonna try to steal my style. But you know what I'm saying, hang out with me, man, kick it with me. So it'll be sometime in the morning, like 10 a.m. I don't know what 10 a.m. North Carolina time is, but if it's central, then just figure out what your time is wherever you are in the world. We will be going live. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll be going live on Instagram as well after I post the one up from the YouTube. I might post the YouTube up a little later, like when the cars actually get there and start demoing, just so it'll be fun for y'all, you know what I'm saying? But either way, I will be going live on my JP's audio, the JPS_audio page, and I will be going live on this channel Sunday. So there will not be a video on Sunday. There will be a live stream Sunday. I want y'all to come kick it with me, hang out with me. Let's do it. All right, so last thing that I want to talk about, and I'm gonna say this real quick, even though y'all know I like to talk. But anyway, for people who are actually subscribed to this channel for the how-tos, I want to let y'all know there will be no more how-tos on this channel. One person asked me, why do you think that your channel is not growing? I really think that I'm going through a transition from people subscribing for the how-tos that I've done years ago, suspecting more how-tos or anticipating them, and you're just not going to get them. Because this channel, since 2019, I said this channel will only be about builds, bass, car shows, me doing my personal builds like my Grand Marquis, my car, working on my wife's car, some of the homies, whatever. Like if you're not here for the bass, you're here for the how-tos, you need to go to my how-to channel. I create a second channel called JP the Install Guy, where I do all the how-tos. All the Q&As are on there. Don't comment on these videos no more on this channel about how-tos. I'll still answer them, but please just take all of that to JP the Install Guy. That's exactly what that channel is for. It's for the DIY, the do-it-yourselfers, the people who want to do all your audio installs yourself, and you got some question about harnesses and all this type of stuff. Do it over there, JP the Install Guy. I want to keep them separated, and one day when this channel blows up for high quality videos, I'm gonna delete all the how-tos off of this channel. So it will be strictly bass, and you have no choice but to go to JP the Install Guy. Either way, y'all know I can talk. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get off right now before I think about something else that I need to holler at y'all about. And I'm gonna go get my family, and we're probably gonna get something to eat before I go to work. Either way, man, y'all get out and vote. I love y'all. Peace. I'll see y'all at Ruckus.